Just shut up. 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 And keep watching if you want to see me. It's been a while. I've been slacking and Who even is that? Wayfair? I don't even like Wayfair. God. Hey guys, it's Sam, and today I did something a little different. I'm actually doing a voiceover in this video, or I hope that I'm going to be doing a voiceover. I don't know how to do one yet, but hopefully I figure it out. So yeah, I kind of just like walked you guys through what I did today to get this eye look. I used the Nabla Secret Palette to create this look today. It is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous palette. My boyfriend got this for me for Valentine's Day. Thanks, babe. And yeah, I didn't really use it much. I just used it on Valentine's Day, and I never really picked it up again. So I stumbled upon it again today, and I really wanted to use it, and I'm really happy with the look that I created with it. Isn't it so cute? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, my cute little pineapple lights behind me, my wonderful sister-in-law Stephanie got them for me, so thank you, Steph. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been a little bit since I filmed anything. If you want to see how I got this look, you know the dealio. Keep on watching. Bye. Hey guys, I look really crazy right now. I have some shadow guards under my eyes, and I'm applying a P. Louise base. So you know, when we got the shadow guards and the P. Louise, we're about to do a colorful look. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using P. Louise in the shade Rumor Zero, and I'm just applying that to my eyes. I'm not flipping you off. Unless you deserve it, then yes, I am flipping you off. So I'm just using my finger to blend that in. I put way too much on my first eye, so I disperse it between both my eyes. You don't need a lot of this stuff. As you can see, a little goes a pretty long way. I definitely used way too much, but that's okay because I am blending, blending, blending. Whenever I'm playing with color, I always like to start off with a white clean base because it just really helps with that color payoff, and it also helps to let the shadow adhere better to your eye. So now you want to take a flat brush and just tap and blend on your eye and just blend it a bit more. I'm using a 220 brush from Zoeva to do this. Now I'm just setting my eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm using a dual-ended tart brush. This brush doesn't have a number on it, so I'm sorry, I don't know exactly what it's called or if they even make it anymore. And I'm just tapping and blending with that powder. I literally look insane. So this is the Secret Palette by Nabla. Ooh, so pretty. I'm going in, I don't know the shades. Hold on, I'll be right back. Let me get my palette. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, that was very unprofessional of me. The shade that I'm using here is called Julieta, and it's this really, really soft pink shade. It's so pretty, and I'm just really building that shade up because I do want to make it a little bit darker. It's kind of just a little too light for what I'm trying to do here. And I'm bringing that shade high up into my brow bone just because I want a lot of lid space to play with. I'm also bringing this pretty deep into my inner corner. I'm literally laying it flat against the side of my nose, and I'm bringing it all the way to my outer corner. By the way, first I'm going in with a fluffy brush by Zoeva. This is a 225 eye blender, and I'm just using that for the initial sweep of color across the eye. And then I switch over to a smaller, more tapered blending brush by e.l.f. Using a smaller brush just helps you pick up more pigment and gives you a more concentrated blend. I'm also using a heavier hand with the e.l.f. brush just so I could really get that color to be darker than how it was with the fluffy brush. Now I'm using the NYX Glitter Glue, and I'm just using the other side of that dual-ended Tarte brush. And originally I was going to put this glitter glue straight across the lid because I was just going to do one color, and then kind of in like a split second I changed my mind and decided I want to do a halo eye look. So a halo eye, basically I'm just going to put the glitter glue on either side of the middle of my eye. I'm going to leave the middle blank for now because we're going to go in with a different color in the middle eventually. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm taking the color Big Experience. It's a really pretty sparkly hot pink. It has little tints of red to it, but it's pretty pink, and I think it's my favorite color in this palette. And that's what I'm putting on the inner corner and outer corner of my eye. So I actually wound up deciding to take that color all the way to my outer corner up into the shadow guard. I don't know why I didn't decide that to begin with, but this is me, one, using the wrong product, and two, trying to use a product with the cap on. So let's see how long this takes. Okay, there we go, got it. So I'm using the glitter glue once again by NYX, and I'm just going to bring that, oh no, now I'm putting it in the middle. I don't know what I'm talking about, bye. So this is where the halo effect or spotlight effect, whatever you want to call it, takes place. I'm using the color Hyper Sensual, and I'm just placing that right in the middle of my eye. I'm using a very tiny little Morphe brush. This brush doesn't have a number. I'm sorry guys, a lot of the brushes that I own are like really old and I don't know, they just don't have numbers on it, or they're from collections that aren't being made anymore. So sorry, can't help you out. Now this is when I'm putting it on the outer corner. Okay, we were a little confused, but we got there. So now we're going back in with that Julieta shade just because I feel like we lost it a little bit there. And now this, you guys, is where it starts to go all downhill from here. So what I'm doing is I'm going back in with that NYX Glitter Glue because I want to take those metallics up higher. So I'm creating almost like kind of like a cut crease, kind of, not really, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm creating a line higher above those metallics that I wanted to fill up with that Big Experience color, and I wound up taking that line way too high and I almost had a mental breakdown, which you are about to see. So enjoy. No, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Now we gotta do a little woosah, say a prayer, and we have to bust out the makeup wipes because we made a boo-boo. See, I wasn't really happy I had to bust out the makeup wipes, you could tell. And we're just gonna fix our mistake because it's always fixable, okay? And don't give up, just keep going. We saved it, okay, I'm feeling a little better. Now let's continue with what we were doing. So once again, doing that line, not as high this time. And the reason why I wanted to put Big Experience there above each of the colors is because I just kind of wanted to marry them all together. I feel like they all kind of looked like they were doing their own thing and they weren't incorporating well together. And so that's why I'm doing that. And now I also just went back in with Julieta on my brow bone and realized I didn't put my P. Louise base down. So once again, gotta take the makeup wipes out and I'm laying down that base. You guys, this look drove me absolutely insane, and you're gonna see even more. We're not done. We are not done with the messing up. But I feel like all in all, in the end, it came together beautifully, and that's what doing makeup is all about, is fixing your mistakes, learning from your mistakes to have a beautiful outcome, because it's all worth it in the end. So just watch me go nuts this whole video. So yeah, I set the P. Louise and now I'm going in with that Julieta shade. And now I'm gonna shut up. See you later. So at this point we were having some smooth sailing with the second eye, but at one point I did feel like I wasn't happy with how this look was turning out right here. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and I'm spraying my eyeshadow brush and I'm dipping into Big Experience, and it just really helps bring out the vibrancy of that color when you spray your brush first. And I also did that with the color in the middle, Hyper Sensual. I sprayed my brush and then dipped into the shadow, and it really helps that color pop. Now I'm putting that shade Hyper Sensual into the inner corner of my eye. So now it's time to take those shadow guards off, and I feel like a new woman. You don't understand how annoying it is having those things on. I actually left in the middle of doing this look and I went to eat dinner, and it was extremely uncomfortable having those on. So now what I'm doing is I'm just putting some colors on my lower lash line. I'm using Big Experience on the outer corner of my lower lash line, and then I put in Hyper Sensual on the inner corner of my lower lash line. And now what you're witnessing here is magic. This is me finessing my wing. I'm using the Linear Waterproof Eyeliner by L'Oreal. Me and my mom have literally been using this eyeliner since like the earth was made. Then you see me take a really deep breath, because I don't know about you, but I do not breathe while I'm doing my wing. I just want to take a second to explain that after doing my wing with the L'Oreal eyeliner, I went in with the Glamnetic eyeliner on top of that. This way I could stick on my magnetic lashes, and it was just a mess. Every time I use this eyeliner, I struggle so much, so I thought maybe if I put my wing down first as like a little guide, it would help me, and I was completely wrong. The liner still got everywhere, all over my eye. It got all over my lashes. You're going to see in a second that my lashes actually were stuck together, and I thought that I was going to rip them out. And on top of that, it ruined my perfect wing. So, Glamnetic, fix your shit. Thank you. Here I'm using Better Than Sex mascara because I'm out of my roller lash, but obviously I ordered a new roller lash because I can't live without it. but that's why I'm using this. This eye had so much of the Glamnetic liner stuck to my lashes that I couldn't even get my mascara brush through, and I actually had to take a makeup wipe and wipe off my lashes. That's how bad it was. These are the Glamnetic lashes in the style Vogue. I'm just wiggling them around a little bit because I never wore these before, so you don't want them to be stiff when you're putting them on. You want them to have a little bit of flexibility so they're easier to work with. I really do love the style of these Glamnetic lashes, and I have so many pretty lashes from this company. It's just I hate that eyeliner so much, and I really wish they would change it or just put it in an easier component to work with, because I would love to wear their lashes every single day. I have so many pairs. It's way too stressful using that eyeliner, and it's so messy. And I don't know if it's just me, because I've watched a ton of videos of people just putting the eyeliner on like a breeze and sticking the lash on their eye and calling it a day. But when I do it, I have about 20 mental breakdowns and I get eyeliner all over the place. So I don't know. So this is the final look. I cleaned it up as much as I can, and I was kind of feeling myself. I really liked it. I thought it came out so pretty. You know, at the beginning of this look, it was a little rocky. I did make a boo-boo, I did mess up, and I almost gave up, but I didn't, and I saved the look, and that is all that matters, okay? Because look how cute it is, and we're here now, we did it, and we look really cute. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, give me a little comment. You guys don't know how much it really means to me. I have 31 subscribers right now, and I love every single one of you. All 31 of you, you're right here. You're right here, right in my heart, okay? I love you. Please don't go anywhere. Okay, bye.